Are you experiencing error code CE-117740-0 while playing a game on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the console. The PS5 error code CE-117740-0 it can occur due to corrupted system software, insufficient storage space, external drive issues, or dirty or damaged disks. When you get such an error, restart the console. To do so, turn off the console and then plug it from the power source. Wait for some time, then restart it again and check. Method 2. Change the Wi-Fi. Next, you can change the Wi-Fi frequency bands. Go to Settings, then select Network, then select Settings. Next, select Setup Internet Connection. Select your Wi-Fi network and press the Options button. Choose Wi-Fi frequency bands and manually select either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz based on your needs and distance from the router. Method 3. Restart the router or modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do so, turn off your router or modem, wait for a few minutes, turn them back on now and check if that could resolve the issue. Method 4. Sign out and sign in. The next thing you can do is sign out of your PSN account and then sign in. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, then select Users and Accounts, then Other, then Sign Out. Wait for a few minutes, then sign in again with the correct user account credentials. Then try to launch the game and check. Method 5. Clean the game disk. If you are using a game disk, then clean it. Due to accumulated dirt and debris on the game disk, you can also get such errors. So gently wipe the disk with a dry, soft microfiber cloth to remove dust. Wipe from the center of the disk outward in straight lines. Avoid circular motions. Allow the disk to air dry for a few minutes before using it. Make sure it's completely dry before inserting it back into your PS5. Method 6. Remove the external drive. If you have installed the game on an external drive, then remove the drive from the PS5 and install the game directly on your PS5. Sometimes, due to any corruption on the external hard drive, you can get such errors. To safely remove the external drive, first turn off the PS5. You can do this by pressing the power button on the front of the console or selecting power from the home screen menu, then choosing Turn off PS5. Make sure the power indicator light stops blinking and the console is completely powered down. Once the PS5 is off, carefully unplug the external drive from the USB port. If the drive is powered separately, ensure it's turned off first. Now turn on the PS5 and then download the game from the PlayStation Store and check if the issue is resolved now. Method 7. Wait for some time. If you're still having issues, then wait at least 24 hours before trying again. Sometimes there can be temporary problems that can go away after some time. So allow some time and then check again. If the issue persists, then contact PlayStation support for further assistance. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing error code CE-117740-0 while playing a game on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.